Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today we have a beautiful 3.5-month post-operative result on a female in her late 30s. And I'd love to share with you this interesting case. Let's check it out. First, she had a challenging revision breast case. She had had 2 previous breast operations by other good surgeons, and neither worked out very well for her. We replaced her implants with different sizes and actually reduced some of the dense glandular tissue of this side here. And that combination, in addition to a lift on her left side, gave her very close symmetry, which we're both thrilled with. We also did 360-degree power-assisted liposuction, sculpting at her waist and her inner and outer thighs. To check out the back, move your hands out a little bit. You can see how tight this waist is and how nice these curves are. It really enhanced her. It's important to understand that I didn't make her bottom look smaller. I didn't make her look straight up and down. I actually enhanced her curves by bringing it in tightly here and refining the inner and outer thighs so that her bottom looks even more curvy than it did before. I know she is ecstatic about her outcome, as am I. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. If you're interested in breast surgery or body sculpting surgery, you've got to check out my website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there for you to review. Also check us out in our social media. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And on our YouTube channel, we have over 700 videos so far. Make sure you send us your contact information with your email or your cell phone, or simply email us directly at info@drstoker.com.